Guys, I don't know how I can take all of this, but Houston is underwater and there is more severe weather coming for Texas with much more of it in the next few days. Now let's get to the outlooks. For day 1, there is an enhanced risk for a relatively small area with a chance of isolated tornadoes and a chance of a scattered wind gust of 58 miles per hour or greater, along with yet another threat of damaging hail. In addition, this will mean that the flooding in Houston will continue to get worse as there is more rain in the forecast, which can be heavy at times, which will lead to rise in existing floodwater and river levels. For day 2, not much can be seen except for a marginal risk in parts of Texas and a portion of northeast Ohio, which means that the threat would weaken tomorrow before re-emerging on Monday as another enhanced risk for day 3, which has a 30% probability for significant severe thunderstorms with damaging winds and large hail. For day 4, there is a slight risk which affects parts of lower Michigan and the Midwest. The threat would persist despite moving a little further south with the day 5 outlook, which would affect more areas in the Midwest. This is a dangerous situation which is occurring in Houston, and a particularly dangerous situation could unfold in the next few days as the storms push off into the Midwest and the lower Great Lakes with damaging winds, large hail, and possibly a few tornadoes which could once again be at EF2 strength or greater. Make sure to check the Storm Prediction Center and stay up to date with watches and warnings that could be issued for your area. If your area is flooded, get to higher ground if possible. With tornadoes, there is always a chance that they could be rain-wrapped, which is why a tornado warning would mean that you must take shelter immediately even if the winds become still and precipitation stops falling, as that could be the calm before the tornado's arrival. Again, if flash flooding occurs in your area, make sure to get to higher ground to avoid drowning. Stay safe out there.